everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Antonnette and today I have a super exciting bag haul for you guys. If you're just tuning in, I've been solo traveling for the last few months and I have been to several different countries, so I feel like I'm becoming an expert on packing and travel bags. Today's video is in collaboration with Bagsmart. I'm super excited to show you guys their getaway carry-on and a new backpack. If you guys haven't checked out Bagsmart, they make a ton of different bags, backpacks, carry-on luggages that you'll see in today's video, as well as packing cubes and just a variety of travel essentials that come in so many different colors, but most importantly, they're very affordable. You get high quality products at an affordable price. I don't know if you guys watched my recent videos. I just mentioned I wanted to get my hands on a good backpack potentially, but there's not a lot of chic ones on the market. When I saw this one, I had to get my hands on it. This is the Blast Travel Backpack, and I'm gonna pack it with you guys today. Maybe show you some tips and tricks on how I pack, but I'm so excited to try this out on my next travel adventure. It actually kind of doubles as a duffel bag and backpack. It has a side strap here, which I really like. So you can actually carry it as a duffel bag like this. And it looks really nice. I love that it comes in multiple colors, but this beige color is just so chic and it goes with everything in your wardrobe. But it also has backpack straps on the back. So it's super durable and versatile and just an all-in-one backpack. I wanted to pack it with you guys, so let's open it and see what's inside. So inside of this backpack is really roomy. It's got a 40-liter capacity with a 15.6-inch laptop compartment, which is so useful when you're going through TSA and you need to access your laptop super easily. It also has a RFID blocking pocket for cards. It also fits a 30-ounce bottle, which I love because I'm always bringing ice through TSA. It's got durable ripstop nylon and quick access top opening. This backpack is perfect for 1-week trips if you just want to pack the bag alone and use it as a carry-on. It's actually really spacious. It's got so many compartments in this. It has a top opening with a little mesh zip pocket, so you can just stick your passport, anything you need quick access to, you can stick it right here at the top. It also has a zipper at the front pocket as well. It even has an additional little zipper pocket in the back of the backpack, right behind the straps. And then you also have these durable YKK zippers for long-lasting use. There's also another compartment on the bottom of the backpack, so you have even more room on the side. So there's really compartments on all 4 sides of this bag, so you literally can use it as a backpack or a duffel bag. And then on the inside, as you can see, there's a nice little buckle to keep all your clothes nicely tucked into the bag. This actually opens up more like a suitcase, so it's super convenient. I cannot wait to use this on my next adventure. My next trip is going to be more of an adventure trip anyway, so this will be perfect to travel with. I think I'm going to try to get away with just this bag and the carry-on that I'm about to show you. I'm big on carry-ons because they are so easy to roll around and travel with. Next, I have the getaway carry-on for you guys. Look at this gorgeous steel blue color. This is so not something I would typically choose, but wanted something different, something with a pop of color, but still super sophisticated looking. This carry-on is the lightest carry-on that I own. My other carry-ons are super bulky and heavy, if I'm quite honest, so this one is actually nice and durable, but also super light. Everything is the same color, and the expandable portion is the same color as the actual suitcase, and I just think it looks super smart and chic this way. On the side, you also have a TSA lock, so you can set the code and lock it. I'm gonna open it with you guys, and let's go through the inside of this suitcase. I also have these beautiful packing cubes to match. They're very light. Have you guys ever owned a heavy packing cubes that actually add to the weight of your total suitcase? And that is the worst. So these are super light, and then I love that they also have a handle at the top. If I haven't convinced you yet, packing cubes are great because you pack them in your suitcase. It makes it so you're more organized and you can fit more in your suitcase, but more importantly, when you get to your destination, you can just grab your packing cubes out, throw them in the drawer, and then you can live out of your packing cubes, and by the end of the vacation, you just zip them back up and toss them back in your suitcase. You don't have to worry about folding and unfolding, unpacking, none of that. And it keeps your clothes sanitary while it's in a drawer or a closet. So I am a big packing cube fan. These are also expandable packs, so you can unzip them and expand them, or you can compress them, which is great too, which will help to suck out some of the air in your clothes, giving you more room in the suitcase overall. This is the 20-inch getaway carry-on suitcase in steel blue. It has an expandable capacity from 40 liters to 48 liters. Also, it has a smart interior layout with PC shell for lightweight durability. The 2 compartments on the first zip panel is a wet wet and dry separation for organization. On my next trip, I will be packing some bathing suits, so this will be very, very convenient. Also, it has an aluminum handle with 4 height settings. I like to put everything in my suitcase really neatly. I put the shoes on one side with my toiletry bag and my electronics bag. I like to keep everything in separate bags. It just makes it so much easier when you're packing. Bagsmart actually sells these two as a bundle. This is the Blast and Getaway carry-on backpack and carry-on bundle. For the month of November and December, if you buy the bundle, you get the packing cubes free. They've also given me a discount code that you can use on your purchase, so definitely check out the links and the code in the description box. Huge thank you to Bagsmart for sponsoring this video, and I will talk to you guys next time.